English language learning, collage and mixed media materials. Hello, learners! Today we're going to explore a really fun and exciting part of arts and crafts, collage and mixed media. Specifically, we will delve into the wonderful world of materials that can be used in these artistic pursuits. Remember, understanding the vocabulary related to these materials is crucial in expanding your English language skills, especially within the realm of arts and crafts. Before we delve into the materials, let's define collage and mixed media. A collage is a piece of art made by sticking various different materials such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric onto a backing. Mixed media, on the other hand, is an artwork in which more than one medium or material has been employed. When creating a collage, there are some basic materials you will need. 1. Base. This is what you will stick your pieces onto. It could be a piece of paper, a canvas, or even a wooden board. 2. Adhesive. Glue, paste, or Mod Podge are commonly used to stick your pieces onto the base. 3. Collage pieces. These are the bits you stick onto your base. It can be almost anything: magazine cutouts, photographs, fabric scraps, or buttons. Now let's look at some common materials used in mixed media artworks. 1. Paints. Acrylics, watercolors, and oil paints are often used in mixed media. 2. Inks. Different types of inks, like drawing ink or alcohol ink, can add interesting elements to your artwork. 3. Texture mediums. These can include gesso, modeling paste, or even items like sand or small pebbles to create a 3D effect. 4. Found objects. These are objects you've discovered that can be incorporated into the artwork. It could be a piece of driftwood, a vintage key, or even a piece of lace. While materials form the body of your artwork, tools help you shape them. Here are a few tools often used in collage and mixed media. 1. Scissors, used to cut out pieces for your collage. 2. Brushes, used to apply glue, paints, or inks. 3. Palette knives, useful for applying and spreading texture mediums. That wraps up our discussion on collage and mixed media materials. We hope this has expanded your English vocabulary in the realm of arts and crafts, and perhaps even inspired you to try your hand at creating a collage or mixed media piece. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your new vocabulary, and keep exploring your creativity. Happy crafting, learners!